So what is it with trains? Why do kids love watching trains? Why do some adults love watching trains? You know, it's not like they drive and fishtail and real exciting to watch. They just go wherever they have to go. You know, they don't really do anything. You don't see a lot of moving parts except the wheels. Mind you, now it's you get to look at all this really cool graffiti, and some of it is real art. 1203, 1202. Square wheels. Ooh, those ones are real square. That's from an emergency stop. Grinds the wheels flat. And then they go clunk, clunk, clunk until the railway decides to change them, I guess, if they get bad enough or under routine maintenance. There was a time they would have changed those right away. And now, with the almighty dollar drives the railway industry, this is CN, and they seem to have a lot of trouble with maintenance on their vehicle, on their rails and their cars. Seems that they figure it's cheaper to clean up a mess after a derailment than it is to fix the problem and to prevent it in the first place. You know, I wouldn't doubt that other railways operate like that. In fact, I'm sure of it. Because it used to be, you know, the track used to be inspected daily. Every section of it. Now, maybe once a week, or if there's a problem reported, maybe not even once a week.
Nice new ones.
Nice new ones. You can hear them, you can hear the wheels singing. It's the metal on metal rolling sound. Except that one. Yeah, the trains now on the prairies here, because the engines are getting so powerful, getting longer and longer. AJ's best friend when he was in school, his father was an engineer for CN, and he said the trains were getting upwards of 2 miles in length, whereas it used to be common to have about a mile-long train. The freight trains are hitting upwards of 2 miles long now. I guess on the prairies, you know, this one had 3 engines, but you know, sometimes we even see them where there'll be 3 engines and there'll be 1 or 2 in the middle.
Here it comes.
But no matter how many cars there are, and no matter how many engines there are, it's still not a train because of this. There's no caboose.